Hey guys, this is how to see the deleted messages on your WhatsApp, so let's get into it. I will show you the two methods. I hope one of them will work for you. As you can see that this message was deleted and I am not able to see this. So how to make it possible to see the deleted messages on our WhatsApp? So let me show how to make it possible. So first of all, you just need to open your Play Store and here you have to just search for backup messages on WhatsApp. So basically you just need to install this application from your Play Store in order to see the deleted messages in your WhatsApp. You have to just install this application and then open it. So right after that you will be able to see the deleted messages of your WhatsApp in this application easily. And you can also access the deleted messages of your WhatsApp that you have received from anyone. And the second effective method is to simply install the GB version of your WhatsApp, and by using the GB version of your WhatsApp, you will be able to see all the deleted messages in your WhatsApp easily. So for this, open your Play Store and then search here for GB WhatsApp. And here you just need to install this GB version of the WhatsApp, and right after that, if you receive any of the message that was deleted, then you will be able to see this message in your WhatsApp easily, and you can also access the deleted message in your WhatsApp. And guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.